Hey guys, good morning. I'm here doing some shopping at Home Depot. It makes me so sad to see some of these plants like drowned and drenched in water. Very, very sad. Look at that. It just sucks. Let me see. My hands are full. Oh, another thing I hate is the spray paint and the gluing of the fake plants. It is so annoying of the fake flower. But the whole plant is about to come out because it's just soaked in water, so I think it's just about to fall out. So I really can't stand that. I really want this one. I just need to figure out how to remove the glue without causing any damage. So yeah, I'm really thinking about it just because of that, because I know that it's going to cause damage, so I don't know if I want to take the risk and bring it home. Anyways, I'm also looking at this one. It's really pretty. I'm going to take this one. It's going to be difficult to hold these and record just to show you some of these. Look at that. Spray painted, not good. I wish these vendors would know that we don't really appreciate that. You know? There's so many people that don't know that these are spray paint. They actually think that they come like that, but they don't. Anyways, these look here. Really pretty. Okay. I like that one over there. I like the pots. And the tree stump. Oh, those pots over there are beautiful too. Let's see what we got around here. I'll show you guys later what I buy if I get anything. Look at that one. So pretty. I don't know. Right now I have like an obsession with cactuses. I'm just like, I don't know, really drawn to them right now. Look at that one. In there, hidden in there. I gotta look around and see if I find any more gems in here. Oh look, there's some hiding right there. These here. Right here. How much are these? That's $10 for these pots right here. I think it's okay, not too bad. Got some really pretty plants shoved in there. That one's really pretty. Look at those colors. Really like that. Oh, I'm tempted. Tempted. Look at that. So tempted. But I don't know that eventually these plants will outgrow these pots and then I'll have to do something. Anyways, guys, so let me show you here. I really like this one too, so I'm thinking about that one. And I've always liked this one, but I've never bought it. Let's see what they have over here, because sometimes they'll have a few succulents over here. I mean, they do have always the big trays and the big pots over here. There we go. Here's some more. This is $20 for a tray. So let me see. Sometimes, oh look, they have. These are new because they were not here when they came a few days ago. This is a cacti turby, the one that I have that I got a lot of babies. That's Debbie over there. I got one when I came. And that's it guys. Okay, well, I'll show you when I check out. Hey guys, so this is what I bought. I could have bought two more, but I was just really disappointed with the glue on the fake flower because it does cause a lot of damage. I did remove this had a flower right up here and I removed it and it did lose its hair on top, but I didn't mind too much. But they had the old lady, she was beautiful, but she had the flowers on top and she had a lot of glue on top, so I knew that if I removed that flower it was just gonna damage it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait until I go somewhere else and they don't have that. I actually am so tempted to call the company and complain. I don't know if these have any names. Yeah, this does not have a name. So I'll just have to, maybe one of you guys can name that plant for me, that cactus. I got the moon plant, this one. I got her because I really like the colors on her. And this one, let's see if this one has a name. There it is. Phyllocereus species. I'm pretty sure it has a shorter name. I'll have to Google that and see. But yeah, I actually gonna. This is from Altman plants. I think I am gonna call and complain because I want to purchase their plants, but it's very discouraging when they have glue all over. Anyways, guys, those were my purchases. This one was $4.90 something, so $5, and this one was $4. So I spent a total of $14. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't mind me. I'm just gonna. I know I already ended the video, but so I did call Altman, and a lady was really nice, and I talked to her about it. She herself said that she does not know why they do that. Why do they glue the flower on top of the cactuses? Because she doesn't like it either. And she said it's not the first time that they hear complaints, obviously. But she's going to try to pass the message along, and she doesn't think that, she doesn't know if they're going to respond or not. But guess what? So we have so many cactus lovers out there and plant lovers. I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, they do have a Facebook page. So why don't we go to their Facebook page and comment on there, let them know that you do love their plants, but you do not appreciate the fake flower glued on the plant or the spray paint. So why don't we just go ahead and do that and get together and go ahead and blow up their Facebook and let them know that we want natural cactuses just the way they are. Okay, guys? Bye.